Oh shit, we back in this motherfucker. Southsideknows podcast. Turn up.
Damn, what nigga to test me?
Fuck nigga to test me. Tell the bitch nigga it's RIP. I got them guns and you wanna see. Ready to kill, ain't worried about no beef. Nigga be act like they talk to her. Put it in their face, make a bitch nigga shut up.
Goddamn stupid ass over here.
In the building. Look at your bitch and she looking so special.
I know y'all know. Y'all know what's going on.
In the dirt, I don't need a show. Crucified nigga, I got a scratch. Give me for my sin, cause I'm finna bless it.
God damn, you got that. He got that Omarion 19 motherfucker.
Oh shit.
Your man need help, man.
You good?
Yeah, we good.
Welcome back, everybody. It's your boy Southside in here. Who do we have the pleasure of having us in the building?
It's Danny B up in this motherfucker getting it down and dirty, man. I know how to do dirty D, damn it, dirty D.
Oh, that nigga over here on the GH, ain't it?
For real. Oh, goodness. Bye. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, that guy there, man. I'm out in these streets making a beat my feet on these concrete streets of Atlanta, man. I gotta say, it's all love, all day, every day. Ain't nothing else to say, but ain't no thing but a chicken wing. You feel what I'm saying, man?
Yeah, man. I love that shit every time he say it. I swear.
Every time.
What's going on, people? What's going on, people? You already know how we always start this podcast off. We always got to check on everybody's mentals, you know what I'm saying? They already saying this generation, it's a lot of people who deal with depression. So, you know, just check on your folks.
Yeah, for real.
And I'm going to check on my boys. So how y'all feeling today?
Man.
Nickel.
Hey, honestly, man.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I got into a small little accident with a motherfucking
Call
bed.
Ken Nugent. I might not win $500,000, but I'm gonna win.
What that nigga say? Damn. God damn. Damn.
And that's how it was the whole time out there after I got out the car. Oh my God. First of all, man, I'm on 285 just riding in the dark because I'm trying to head home. It's late and stuff.
He's in the dark. He's incriminating himself.
No, I'm putting an alibi.
No question under the ground. They may incriminate me.
No, I got my alibi. This is my alibi. Nah, but man, I'm driving and stuff, man. I'm on the far left lane and shit, and I see that there was some wood pieces and shit on the highway. And I'm like, oh shit. So I try to avoid it, and I basically run into a bed.
Queen size bed.
Queen size bed in the middle of the highway, just chilling, waiting for me to hit it.
There wasn't nobody in the bed?
Bruh, nobody was in the bed either, bruh. I'm like,
that nigga ran off.
Boy.
That nigga said, damn, you know what I need right now? I need a Sprite. And ran off real quick. He put that bed. There's some nigga out there that's missing that bed.
Yeah, for real.
I wanted to sleep on the freeway, goddammit. Ah, shit, I need that Sprite. Ran off and went to go get it.
So how's your mental overall?
But overall,
this
like, I'm glad and have insurance, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have
For real.
Listen,
insurance.
black people, make sure y'all get y'all some insurance.
Oh,
stop riding around dirty, please.
Right.
No more riding dirty.
Hey.
No more riding dirty. Fuck that shit, man.
All right.
Danny,
Yeah.
how's your damn crazy ass mental?
I'm doing good, man. You know what I'm saying? You know I'm doing good and shit. You know what I'm saying? Goddamn, living my life. You feel me? Like yeah, just trying to shed pounds and shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh no, don't do that, man.
Oh, no. Daddy!
What I was trying to say was don't do that.
My baby.
You're pissing me off, bro.
Right when you thought it was over. Yeah,
Got
my
a double
guts-
tap.
Yeah, my guts are gone, but you thought I was dead.
Y'all pray for this boy, Danny.
Oh my goodness, bro.
But no, for real, I'm doing good, man. You know what I'm saying? We in there, we living. Goddamn,
Trying to be more consistent in 2022.
But I was just about to. He took the words out of my mind.
Trying to turn up. You know, we said we were gonna turn up in 2021, but you know, things got a little staged.
Some things happen.
But I swear to God, 2022, motherfucker, boy, y'all going this out for shizzle.
I'm trying to get
act like it is for shizzle.
Some things in the middle was sacrificed. So when they did that, I was just like, damn, I apologize where I could.
Man, shut your bitch ass.
But y'all know, like, I fought with y'all, like, I come back, you feel me? You know.
But nah, real talk though, we got a lot to talk about today. Real talk. First off, let's talk about all this trifling ass shit Saweetie got going on. Oh God, real talk. Saweetie,
fine ass man.
Saweetie, you tripping, shawty? Like,
no. I mean,
why is you doing all of this? Like, bro, you some action for real.
Is she for the streets?
Streets, sir.
How song
the side to rock.
Damn,
she's
I wish I
for
knew
the side to rock. Okay.
Hey.
She is no good lady. She's no good. Basuta.
Yeah, basura, man. You know,
no.
You know, man. Like, come on, man.
Look at here. I'm telling you, bro. Then it's like, why are you doing? First of all, you know, bro, don't fuck with it, man. Then you over there sitting on that man lap doing all that extra bitch, the goddamn nuggets told on you, hoe. You ain't Lil Baby.
How the nuggets tell on them?
The nuggets was in his damn video. Her nuggets.
Oh,
and she was sitting on this nigga lap with his face missing, but he got his whole same outfit on.
Yeah, I seen that one. I ain't know about the sauce though. The sauce just take it to a whole nother fucking level. What y'all doing with that? Y'all dripping it on each other?
Getting saucy with Saweetie, man. Like, what the fuck going on? Like, man.
Like, what the fuck going on? Like,
sauce packets.
Like, what y'all dripping it on each other? Like,
but real talk, man. Real talk.
Man.
Hey,
that shit lame as hell. It's lame on both ends, Lil Baby and Saweetie, because my whole thing is, any bitch that I motherfucking procreate with, she know not to play with me like that in public.
Wait, man, Saweetie got babies?
I'm saying, Little Baby got a baby with Jada. And I'm saying the opposite way. Ain't nobody finna play with me in these streets.
Oh, you gonna let it be known?
Oh, you wouldn't even have did that.
Oh, okay.
That's
shit.
what we on over here.
Oh shit, that nigga said she wouldn't even did it.
What?
God damn, that boy. Okay, shit.
Man, listen. First of all, you gotta learn to get a woman to respect you from day one. Because when you don't,
that's where it starts.
It's over with. You no longer have pull. You are considered a bitch boy to her. Sorry, not sorry. So,
I mean, we all been there, right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we all have.
Yeah.
You know, we was all good little black bitch boys. You know what I'm saying? We was all good little black bitch boys, and then some freaky dicky little young thing came and turned us out. Now I goddamn just doing this all the fucking time. Just look at right here. Just look at man. But you know, that's another story, bro. That's another story.
Seriously,
but okay, if she for the streets, same music label, they still on the same label, right? QC shit, right?
Who? The Migos and
Lil Baby,
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. So, you know,
bro, first of all, that shit lame, bro. Like, my whole thing is, like, I gotta be around this nigga type shit for some type of, you know what I'm saying? Like, so
have close distance with this person.
I don't like that shit, bro. Like, that's too damn close.
And then they was really, you know, it seemed like they was real nice. You know what I'm saying? They were real nice, good looking couple. You feel me?
But my whole thing is, bro, we could break up, but all that slick ass shit you doing, all that extra shit, bro, like, that be the shit that make a nigga want to turn the whole head to a sock and bopper. Sock and bopper. Why did you do it? Hey, man, listen, keep it P. This is your boy, Larry June, telling you to keep your hands off these ladies. Hey.
Keep it slight.
This nigga went from angry as fuck, murderous angry. Murderous. you fucking. This is Larry June. Keep it. Yeah.
Larry June walked inside while it was happening.
I was about to say, what the hell going on, man?
It was like a PBS special.
Yeah, see, he ain't peeped it.
I'm over here. Yeah.
He want to talk about some rom-com. Stupid mother sucker. Stupid mother sucker. How y'all feel about it though?
Man, I it's too close to like between them knowing that it's friends, but it's always like that though. It's always the closest person that tends to be with her and shit. It's like even with Kim, you know what I'm saying, and you know what I'm saying with the whole deal with Kanye and shit like that. So it was like
fucking a coworker.
Yeah, that's what it's like. It's basically like, it's like y'all all work together.
Pete said, "Yeah, I need that."
Yeah,
like yo,
I'm with Pete. Goddamn, you're so funny, Kim. You know, okay. Kim, all right. You said you want to what tomorrow?
Yo,
let's do it, Kim. I call Kanye tomorrow.
Hey, Kanye in the morning. Me and Kim, we need to be back together because God said we are supposed to be together. And I know she tired of dealing with my crazy ass, but we got 4 kids together.
I need her.
And so I realized that
I want her.
I don't want nobody else sticking their dick inside of Kim K except for me.
You feel me?
I got to have her.
I know I make her life a living hell, but I want to continue to make it a living hell.
What? I'm trying to tell you, man.
Bruh.
Listen, I'm Kanye. I'm always trying to make everybody else happy. Why can't I be selfish for a moment?
Is that not toxic?
Hey, yo, Kanye. Hey, yo, Kanye. Yeah, man.
No.
God loves you. Hey, yo, Kanye. Shut the fuck up.
Nah, that nigga Kanye just hurt, man. That's all it is.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He looking at her having fun. Then she went over here hanging with Pete. Said Pete Davidson, bud.
And Pete having fun.
No, for sure. Pete having a good ass time.
Hey, yo, Kim. Hey, you're fucking hot, but
he done got down.
Let's go get slammered. Come on.
He got down. He having a good ass time. If he done, you feel me? Like if he got up in there,
bro. You think Pete ain't got up in that vessel?
I mean, you know what I'm saying. This is allegedly. You know what I'm saying. We ain't snapping nothing. You feel me? We
all the
really
places
know,
they done been together. But
you.
Pete got down. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Goddamn Ray J all over again. I'm putting dick in your face, baby, just like Ray J
dropping
did.
Dick off.
I ain't gonna lie. I feel like they got way too much money. They on the same label. They got way too much money to be dealing with Saweetie. No disrespect, Saweetie, because you know what I'm saying.
Man, fuck Saweetie.
But hell nah, man. I mean, shit. They all millionaires, man. Let's get money, man.
I look, if they
that's why he was like, we'll swab it out. You saw Quavo, we'll swab it out. We don't give a fuck, we'll swab it out.
I'm the type of nigga. Hey, look at here. Since you want to play them type of game, but I will really be pursuing Jada like dead ass, like.
Oh, okay. Hold on now. Hold
like
on
trying
now.
To put I'm putting dick in that hoe, and I'm putting it on Instagram.
He with
I'm on OnlyFans, and I'm putting this shit on. I'm putting it on OnlyFans. We getting a bag. We getting a bag. I'm finna let niggas see how I'm gonna smut out Jada.
Even regular niggas know that.
I'm finna
Jada
go
is cooking, bro. So for my nigga to slide up in there, that's the main Damon. You can't go against the main Damon.
Bro, look at
Saweetie,
here.
she was
main,
but that's been over for a minute.
Whatever, y'all ain't together. I wouldn't care if you was together. Man, I'm inside that thing all the way.
Okay, what I'm saying
I'm not playing. Hi. Check me out on OnlyFans. $59.99. You can see me clap up Jada on God, and I bust a nut inside her.
Boy,
God damn.
Nigga be like, boy, I got to see that, boy.
Cream pie.
Good cream pie going on.
I didn't say that.
I got a good cream pie going on.
I didn't say none of that.
$59.99 for the cream pie.
Yo.
Oh Lord, he is what? He said 59.
He hitting the bottom on that.
A little short, ain't you?
Hey, check this.
Smashing Jada. I put the two on him.
No, wait a minute. No.
Hey man, this high class.
He's not
booty.
listening. He's
this
not
high
listening.
class booty.
Bruh,
okay.
I'm finna get millions of dollars off of this $59.99. Because I want to make it priced to
That's
where
what I'm
people can still afford it.
So y'all think
$59.99 is a lot of money
You think you
for OnlyFans a month.
quick?
Yeah.
Well, them niggas gonna be like, boy, that nigga got they be sucking good, man.
Jado won't goddamn 77%.
Hey, we gross $8 million. 4 for you, 4 for me. Let's do it. Hey, we can do round 2.
Okay.
Hey, look at here. This time we get on that dominatrix shit. I beat you with it. I beat you with a stick.
Hell nah.
bitch. Slavery on your ass.
Hell nah.
Damn, so you saying hell no.
What you mean?
You saying hell no, like if your lady goddamn, you ain't swabbing it out with your homie. It's too close.
Nah, it's too close, bro. Like,
Sam,
no,
what you saying?
like,
Bitch, I put hands on you.
bro.
I'm like, I about to say, just to make sure y'all saying goddamn. Cause
I know females have the same mentality as well and shit. Like they best friend fuck with, you know what I'm saying?
You bet I fuck my nigga.
Exactly. The ex nigga. I know they talk about that shit.
they probably do. I ain't gonna front about that. They definitely do. Definitely do.
Bro. Ladies,
I'm trying to
in fact,
a story, but I ain't.
Let us know what y'all, you know what I'm saying? Put it in the comments and stuff. Let us know and shit. What how you feel about that? Like,
would you swab it out?
I got one thing to
Do
say.
you mind being swapped out?
I got one thing to say. Atlanta, we have a mayor named Dre.
yes.
What's up, Atlanta Mad Dre?
ATL, we got a black male, the nigga named Andre Dickens. Yeah, that nigga Deacon at his church fuck wrong with you. He believe in Jesus. Even though I don't give a fuck. I'm just happy that Felicia Moore ain't win, cause that hoe ain't nothing for 1,000.
Dicky on Drake. Dicky on Drake. Dicky on Drake.
Get your mans, man.
Bro,
but nah, real talk though, man. I did not want Felicia Moore to win, bro.
Oh, bro.
Why not?
Bro, that lady is white.
She really, yeah. She has a hue. She has a little caucus hue.
Look at her. She is a white woman trapped in a black woman's body.
Shit.
Okay.
She said, "I love nightclubs. I would never shut them down."
These idiots don't know I was ready to
I'll just send the fucking
bitch.
I'll just send the fucking police in there to make sure that you guys are living up to code. And I know it's not. I'll shut your ass down. Okay, I mean, fat asses is shaking in there. But I love strip clubs and everything too. I love nightclubs too.
Hey, look at here.
Good.
First of all, when I seen Shade Room and Say Cheese post how you not supposed to vote for Felicia Moore. Oh
Bruh.
boy, look at here.
That's what
that
I was
shit
like,
ran like wildfire.
Yeah, it really did. I was
Damn.
like, yo, that's what really fucked her up right there is when it got viral.
The strip clubs.
Now, do you think that was strategically placed?
Bruh. Now that could be, you know, that could be determined and shit. Like
I'm
if somebody
saying,
put that out
niggas
like that and shit.
freaky.
But she did say she blamed T.I. and who else? She definitely said T.I. fucked her up and shit.
And
like
I
that.
blame that damn Clifford Harris.
Yes.
Why she
really
blame
did.
T.I. though?
Because apparently,
T.I.
like,
said it quick. Hey, Charlotte, look at here. This your boy Tip from the west side of Becky. Do not vote for Felicia Moore. That hoe ain't nothing for 1,000. I'm telling y'all, bro. Real
Bruh,
time.
straight up, do you like goddamn what the fuck? You like flame? You don't even call it blue flame. You like the flame?
Hell yeah, bro.
Alright, bro. She gonna shut that bitch down.
But what the fuck, bro? I'm finna tell grandmama to not vote
Bro,
for that
do you know
bitch,
how
bro.
many lives that bitch saying right? That bitch saving lives right now, bro. Blue flame saved my life, bro.
Bro, it sure did, bro.
About to shut
it's
that
like
shit
a lot
down,
of
bro.
people's lives.
Bro, listen,
like
bro.
true story shit right
Bro,
there.
real talk, bro.
That's some true story
Bruh.
shit.
Hey, this a little off subject, but I hate when a motherfucker be like this. Yeah, so where you from? I'm from Atlanta. You don't sound like it.
Bruh. Oh my god.
What I'm supposed to sound like? I sound too educated. Oh, you want some
Hey.
shit like this?
Yeah,
ice out.
Cause I was over there, and I told Shaw to give me the perk, motherfucker, but he said them bitches were fake, and I said, "Boy, I ain't trying to go outside on that fit, no motherfucker."
Bro, you can't go outside, bro.
Can't
go outsad, bro.
Then I was trying to tell that bitch, like, bro, we could really go to cruise ship, bro. Like these folks really trying to turn up, bro.
Bro, you gotta take the hoe to 11:45, bro.
I'm not finna pay 50 for the goddamn parking, bro. You got me fucked up, bro.
I mean, shit.
Bro, I only got 100 on me.
Hey.
Damn, you trying to take the big goddamn Golden Corral right up there.
Man, matter of fact,
eat anything she want.
Hey, this out right here, bro. Shit, this out right here, bro.
Dessert.
I'm finna get these 3-5 motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm finna get y'all some chicken wing.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. That's 60 gone already. That's 60 gone.
And this, I'm finna give me some chicken wing because you know I'm finna fuck them.
That 80 gone, shouted. That 80 gone. We down
then I'm finna get these bitches like some candy and shit.
Damn,
and we gonna watch Netflix, bro. We gonna play that shit, bro.
And boy, pocket $10. Fuck you talking about? What you talking about that nigga?
And I got me some motherfucking banana flavor backwoods in that motherfucker too, bro.
Oh, they just came out with
that nigga exclusive.
Hey,
bro,
look,
I thought I would have fought with no shit.
Hey, bro, dead ass, bro. I'm finna have this whole geeked up in this bitch on photo.
No cap.
Gonna have them whole tweaking show.
Man, no cap.
Read top, bro. Yeah, I need
whole tweaking show.
Okay, you can stop talking like that now. No, that's what you want to hear, right?
That's what you want to hear.
I don't be talking like that, ho.
Oh, funky
I talk.
I think that's
how I talk.
Cause I've been here since 2000, and every time I
2000.
So anybody that asks me that shit be like, yo, you don't sound like you're from here. I'm like, bro,
you sound like you're from Seattle, Washington.
You sound like you're from Germany.
Ski squash, German motherfucker.
I heard they love black men over there.
Hey, they do, bro. Real talk. They like they fuck with people.
We love.
Yeah,
they really do, bro.
See, I gotta take my ass off.
Black,
yeah, bro.
big. You know what? You know what?
You a Jamaican? He said, "You know what? You know what?"
No, he did all that. You know.
I did turn it into that, but that's how you was sounding.
Bitch, you went rude boy with it. If you don't know, now you know, boy. Nah, for real, though.
Y'all niggas know what the fuck going on.
All right, check this out right here. Real talk, man. If y'all haven't heard, man, R.I.P. that man Virgil. Shout out.
R.I.P. Virgil.
Yes. Off-White will never be the same. Louis Vuitton will never be the fucking same.
No, real shit.
Real trendsetter shit, man. Nigga did shit Kanye wanted to do.
Yeah.
And this was Kanye boy.
Kanye taught him, man.
He secretly lived through Virgil.
Real shit.
All the shit that, you know, Louis and all these other companies was like, yeah, Kanye, you're a little too unstable, and we understand artists are unstable, but you're a little too.
They were standing there picking. They were standing there picking players for the dodgeball game.
How y'all make?
Sorry,
for real, the Louis Vuitton done when I spent over $1 million with you assholes yesterday.
Bruh.
Oh wait a minute, that was yeah, man.
Yeah,
I didn't like that yet. Especially when he cussed out Sway. Sway the coolest nigga on radio.
Sway, you don't know what you talking about, Sway. You don't have the answer, Sway. Yo, calm the fuck down.
No, that nigga told him straight up. He said, man, we can cut these cameras off right now. We can go in the back and talk about it like men. You know what I'm saying?
No, Sway, because that's what you want me to do, Sway. You want me to come out of my character, Sway. Yo, Kanye, you the one over here taking jabs at your boy.
Hey, yo, cut the camera off, man.
I'm finna talk about this nigga real quick. I'm finna knock the jelly off this nigga biscuit. Real talk though, real spill. I know. I mean, listen, for real though, Virgil, that boy, he really did big shit for the black community and designers. You know what I'm saying?
No, real shit. Off-White 4s. I love them motherfuckers.
I got Off-Whites in my closet.
And
man.
Goddamn Drake plane. I heard he had a hand in designing Drake's plane.
Man, he designed Lil Uzi album about 2 years ago. 3 years ago. Oh, yeah, like he did the Pop Smoke album cover too.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Virgil was doing big shit. And also R.I.P. to Nick Cannon's son Zen, who was 6 months. He had brain cancer.
So just send y'all love out to them folks. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that shit fucked up. Dead ass. It's always crazy when you lose a loved one, but when it's a celebrity and they go through shit, it always reminds you that they're human, just like you. Don't forget that. But real spill though. Y'all niggas all quiet and shit.
Hey man, we
just gonna make me cry. Hey, I don't want to cry.
Give him respect. That's it. Just give him that respect. I mean,
moment of silence. 3 seconds.
Yeah.
That was 4.
All right. Well, we're back.
On to some beautiful.
Survive 10 seconds, you dirty bastards. Couldn't even survive 10 seconds, you dirty motherfucker.
But now, real talk.
What the hell we moving? What the fuck we gotta move on to?
Since we was talking about Drake, let's talk about your boy YK Osiris.
Oh shit,
boy, my God.
I will give you the world, baby girl. I'm just writing Drake shit.
Did you see that video of him dance? Because Drake was like, "Yo, all you gotta do, man, is just." Like you owe me 60 bands. Like you owe me 60 bands. So
and you realize Drake only talk like that.
I feel like that's his regular voice.
No, that's
and then when
not.
he get in front of us, he's like, "Yeah, that's what I want." He talks regular American. Like, no, I am you, you am I, and yeah, of course, yeah, no, for sure.
I just need
but then when he's at home and he's just by himself with his buddies, he talks that Jamaican Canada stuff. Yeah, oh yeah, a boot. Is that still something? A boot?
Yo, you know that dude that made that song? Bands. The Informer. Down. Yeah, that dude.
He's Canadian?
Yeah, he's actually Canadian.
You fake rude boy. You fake rude boy.
Nigga name is Snow.
That's crazy. But nah, for real though, I would be doing the same thing YK doing, except I wouldn't be betting though.
Nigga, I wouldn't be taking pictures.
Why you wouldn't be taking pictures?
No, I mean for myself. I wouldn't put them on the gram, no.
Bro, I want people to see I'm fucking with Drake. Drake fucking with me.
Yo.
And Drake like the fact that I'm letting people see what he got going on.
No, that man, I'm playing devil's advocate, nigga. I'm taking pictures for me and my family, nigga. Feel me? Yeah, I had to beep it the fuck out, nigga. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna make me fucked up. Oh shit, I fucked it up. I fucked it up. All right, my fucking bad. All right, I fucked it up. All right, but yeah.
Oh my God,
I'm playing devil's advocate today, nigga. I ain't taking no pictures. I'm goddamn. I definitely wouldn't have lost 60 bands. I know that. I wouldn't have lost 60 bands. That nigga way in the hole. I would have stopped at the 500. Damn, it's ugh. Yeah. Take all these chips. You can take all these chips back. He said this money is mine, right? Correct. This is my money. Okay, I'm taking 10,000. And you can put all of that. You can cash that all back to the blues for me.
That's ridiculous.
60 bands, nigga. How you gambling that bad, bro?
Just imagine you betting Drake though, for real.
Side note, I seen an Icebox video on YouTube. This nigga old Lil Baby 5.
Yeah,
bro. Didn't you even see how Lil Baby was like? They were getting a little flared up. Lil Baby like, nigga, you owe me over here talking shit, bitch.
Hey. Then he said, "Hey man, don't worry about it. I'll wait on your next hit." I'll wait on your next hit.
I know you between hits right now.
You know that's what he said. In between hits.
Yeah, you can't be consistent like how I just keep with these number ones and shit. You know what I'm saying?
That's funny.
I invoice your label. That nigga retarded.
I said, bruh, real talk though. What has Osiris? He said he got a song coming out with Snoop Dogg though.
All right.
Bro, you know Snoop Dogg is like the second Michael Jackson. Everybody knows Snoop Dogg. Like he's a household name.
Ain't no Michael Jackson now.
I'm saying, as far as name, like
his name got way to it.
He like George Foreman grills.
His name got way to it.
Everybody got one.
No, everybody
well known.
No. Snoop Dogg is internationally known. Okay,
internationally known.
To rock a microphone.
Nigga, when you talk about Crip, you talk about Snoop Dogg. Nigga, even blood niggas would win.
Yeah, for
real. Bro, what you doing, bro? You supposed to be hopping. Oh shit, my bad.
Nah, what's my name? Man, that whole Well, not the whole thing, but most of the Doggy Style album is still a good ass bar.
Hell yeah.
Especially, it ain't no fun. It's the homies can't have nothing. It ain't no fun. Guess who's back in the motherfucking house with a fat deal for your motherfucking mouth.
But nah, real talk though, that boy Snoop is a legend.
Yeah,
No,
absolutely.
So put some respect on Snoop name. Man.
No, what about YK Cyrus? What respect we put on that nigga name?
Man, that man doing him, man. Bro, he doing him.
People
Leave
going
that
too
man
far.
alone.
I'm going too far.
He working.
Yes.
He's
Let me
working.
tell you something. His
Bruh,
teeth are too
you need
big.
to take advantage of
Nobody
what's going.
gambles 60 fucking bands except Michael Jordan because he can afford it. All right? Nobody do that.
Yeah, damn.
And the nigga got the big teeth. I think they come out the sides when he smiles or something. They big.
Yo, we
the
finna
chiclets.
cut Danny Mike off in a minute.
Not the chiclets.
He done
I
lost
mean, I
it.
fought with it, but I'm just saying, man.
We finna cut you off like Buckhead finna cut these water boys off.
Oh man.
Don't give me the fucking mic no more. Then. Fuck it, man.
Real talk though.
Shit.
Hey.
These water boys is getting out of fucking hand.
For real.
Oh, shit, man.
In Atlanta, but these water boy, but they worse than the crackheads.
I mean, shit, they just trying to get some money.
And that's the problem, man. It's like,
Hey, bro, I got this hot ass motherfucking water for you. I've been holding for like 2 hours.
Nigga throw the 5 out like that. Don't touch me.
Bro, you really?
no.
Hey, you throw the 5 out there? Bro, you just tried me, bro. I need like a 10 or something, bro.
What was you about to say, though, Dan?
yeah, man. Oh no, it's just crazy, man. Like as far as like, you know, the kid got killed by, you know what I'm saying, doing that shit, selling water and shit, and that's wild. That, you know what I'm saying, something simple like that. You know what I'm saying? Because one kid thought that he was trying to
mine, bro.
take his territory. You serious? Selling water?
Not about no water.
Bro, I
Right,
sell
not about
waters
no
over here,
water,
fuck
bro.
Over some
nigga. I
water,
get
bro.
$200 over here selling these water, bitch. Stay the fuck from over here,
You
bro.
know that my shit, bro.
Yeah, man.
You got to give me 5 off that play, bro.
Bro,
That
real
shit
talk though,
real
that shit
shit,
done
bro.
got
Real
ugly.
shit.
Yeah, it really had.
Buckhead-
Give me 5 off that play, bro.
Man, Buckhead so upset right now. They damn near want to just lift Buckhead up and put it up in the air
Yes.
to separate it
Boy,
from
what?
everything.
They really do.
I'm tired of all the crimes that's going on. I've been living in Buckhead for 50 years.
Oh,
Never
God.
dealt with anything more like it has now.
Shit, man. All them shootings at fucking
All this,
Lennox
I
and
can't
shit.
even walk Dolces without people trying to rob me.
I ain't gonna even lie, man. The boy that got murdered about other water boys, that's fucked up. Y'all
Yeah.
niggas some lame asses.
That's it.
Got some lame asses for that, but I respect the water boy hustle, man.
Yeah, and that's the thing. It's
If
like
you do it the right way.
yeah,
Right,
But
right,
that's
right.
that's the other
Put
thing.
some gloves on. Pull your fucking pants up. Have a little sign.
Yeah.
Have you a cooler with the waters in them. Don't be just holding the waters because they already know what you're doing. Have 2 waters sat up to let them know, hey, look at here. I got Gatorades and I got waters. Cold.
Bruh.
What you want? What you want? Go and open it up. You already got the gloves
I'll
on.
be out there just yelling like a motherfucker, like them old school days. Gatorade, water, Gatorade.
But I'm gonna
Look
fuck
at
it
your
up
ass, little boy.
Real
I thought
talk.
you wanted my
A
fucking
nigga
Gatorade
had a
all
whole
day.
little convenience store at a red light one I saw, bro.
No, over there on MLK, bro. MLK, that nigga used to. I don't know if he probably still do it because he had that corner on lock.
Bro, hold on.
Had a whole little 5 rows of shit.
Yeah.
chips, man, all that
Oh,
shit, man.
shit.
That nigga was hustling.
Bro, I just saw
I
that
get
nigga
them
like
niggas
a
off
week
the
ago,
strength just
bro.
'cause
That's
that
what's
shit.
up.
Hey man, that's respect.
You talking about by the
Yeah.
train station, right?
Yeah, right there by what's that? Westlake. Westlake. Yeah, Westlake.
Yeah, I believe so.
Or is it West End? No, it's Westlake.
No, it's Westlake. That's Westlake. Yeah. That's Westlake.
Right before H.E. Holmes. Yeah. Okay.
Damn.
Bro, real talk, bro.
Damn.
That nigga have a whole little store right there,
Like a
bro.
store rack. He got one store rack.
Nigga. That
Bow.
nigga be selling candy apples, all types of shit, bro.
Damn.
Working.
I'm
Nigga
mad
said-
I'm not that far from there.
Working.
Man, had to take a quick little, hey, what's happening, bro?
Hey,
Bro.
yo, my man.
Bro, be out there for real.
Yeah, I respect that, man, for
Now,
real.
that way I can respect shit. I can
Yeah.
even respect the motherfuckers that be out there by themselves just trying to get it off. You know what I'm saying? At least you're trying to do something. But them little niggas that be like, hey, man,
Yeah.
them little niggas, they
Man,
the ones that
fuck
ain't and
you,
look
man.
bad.
been climbing on people's cars and
Bruh,
shit like that, bro.
Niggas
Y'all
could use the footage
wildin'.
that they have of them little niggas and make a commercial. Getting a penny a day for them little niggas.
If you want to sponsor Atlanta Westside children,
you want to sponsor little Quavon right here. You see him begging for water. It's a shame he has to beg for water. Money for water.
Bro,
what's wrong with him? 15 cents a day to feed this man, bro. 15 cents every 4 hours for a day.
15 cents, man. We want 10,000. Them blue face motherfuckers.
Yeah, they let them niggas talk.
Nah, while you playing, now Keisha apparently is trying to start something in Atlanta where it's like a program where it helps entrepreneurs and stuff like that to learn about business and give them a stipend of $200 a month.
Oh, that's what's
up.
Oh,
shit.
So hopefully that, you know what I'm saying, they on the right path to that shit, you know what I'm saying, and make that shit work for real because, you know what I'm saying, these kids shouldn't be getting killed over water, bro.
Nah, for
Agua, nigga.
For sure.
That shit.
But,
that shit wild.
Yeah, you can get deep with it. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, I don't mean to be like that, but you know,
nah, for real. It's just because like
take that shit seriously.
Because they got to think about it. Kids don't. I feel like kids don't be thinking about that shit,
bro. It's all action.
Think about repercussions.
It's all action before a thought process, bro. And I'm like, bro, you gotta.
Was we like that?
No.
I don't think I was.
These little niggas reckless, bro.
I don't think I was. I thought about
bro, you
shit.
wasn't even kicking it on the highways from the jump.
Even if I was doing bad
nobody
shit, I still thought about
bro.
it.
Yeah.
Nobody thought about selling no fucking water, bro. Niggas was cutting grass and stealing candy.
But that's what I'm saying. Niggas was cutting grass, selling candy, selling your Kool-Aid
taking your trash out.
Motherfucking nigga, for real, knocking on those, man.
I take your trash out for $1.
But, nah, for $5. $1.
Nah, hey, I about to say,
I'm taking your trash. All you doing is giving it to me. I'm walking your shit to the dumpster
for $1,
bro. You can give me $5, bro. So
the max we used to do is $2, bro.
All right. How much you
gotta go all the time.
Yeah, I'm about to
see how Tim.
Bro, we did that shit every day, bro.
I'm about to see how nice Tim was. How much you charge for a yard?
25.
I knew you were about to say that shit. I knew we were about to say a dub about 25. Yeah. I'm charging 40.
25 in the front, 25 in the back. You want me to trim your stuff? That's $10.
Oh, you just went to 65 on me. Is that 60?
Nah, that's
60.
No, nigga.
He said 25 for the front, 25 for the back, and then 10 for the trim.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That boy just made a 60 ball.
I mean, but that makes sense.
I did 40.
Nigga, it makes sense.
I did 40.
Honestly, nigga.
Stupid ass nigga.
You gotta think about how you gotta give them options, nigga. The tiers. Remember the tiers, nigga.
I thought 40 was affordable.
See, my boy been listening.
Bro,
you gotta
40
remember.
was affordable.
Nigga,
you make it affordable.
Bro, you giving them the option. I cut the front for 25 and trim the front for $5. That'll be 30. Then if you want me to do the back and trim the back, there's another 30.
Hey man, I need y'all to drop in the comments, man. When niggas was hustling back in the day for the yard cutting shit, was it front and back, or do you charge separately for both, man? Drop that shit in the comments, man, because I need to know.
Everybody know
I used to charge 40 for the whole thing.
Oh,
I used to goddamn. I ain't do the lineup shit. Now that's the thing I didn't do. I cut that bitch so smooth the way you probably wouldn't need no lineup. But I ain't never did the lineup shit. But I used to charge 40.
Hey, you didn't do the lineup shit?
Yeah. No, I ain't do the.
Oh nah, bro. I'll be mad as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Cause I had it.
No, he like did get paid $40. That's exactly what he supposed to get. $40.
The way I did that thing, man.
You're not supposed to get that extra $25.
Man, look, that's like a nigga charging y'all. Hey man, I'ma charge you 15 to line up the front. 15 to line up half your bed.
Bro, no, they do
the
that.
Other half of the bed.
No,
half, that's 15.
But get your man's.
First of all,
man, I'm crazy, man.
How you gonna try to charge me because I only got like a little patch of hair on the front?
Bro, niggas do charge you for your hairline and for your beard.
Yes, I mean,
and it be like $30 off the rip.
No, what I'm saying is, nigga, it's all one price. You feel me? I know the head and beard is different, you know, face and head, but I'm talking about they ain't dividing your head. Like,
man,
nigga,
look,
I cut the front of your head.
You better tell this nigga I was doing. Everybody and their mama do that.
A yard is one thing.
Cause there's some people who like got shit going on in their backyard to where they don't want it cut cause they got dogs and all types of shit like that.
Yeah.
So you just tell them I do this part. That's how it became a thing cause people only wanted their front cut.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas ultimate hustling.
Especially somebody who got like a whole bunch of house with pine cones that be dropping and just be having the grass covered. They don't really care about the back being cut. They just want the front to look good.
I've been doing it the wrong way.
Damn. Yeah, that nigga was going outside.
40 ball.
Stupid ass.
I mean,
boy.
shit, I had about 2 yards.
Nah, nigga, we was in there be like clockwork.
Bruh.
Nigga really having their way, bro.
Fuck.
Nigga was really out here buying their own J's and their own NBA socks. Fuck wrong with your pussy.
Bruh.
I mean, I did that like a little hustle. My big hustle with Long John Silvers. $5.75 an hour.
Bruh.
Holla at your boy.
John
Well, I used to ride a Huffy to work.
So how old were you?
Shit, I got now 15.
Oh, shit.
15.
I was 15 working at Kroger.
Hell.
Good old days right there.
You know,
Ooh,
you know
but that when I threw my back out lifting up them crates of bananas.
Oh, no.
Crates of bananas.
Look at here, them crates of bananas was big as hell. Hey man, look at here. Don't be picking up them crates of bananas now. Leave them alone, bro. Just slide them over. Man, these goddamn crates ain't talking about. Slip my disc. Bro, what happened? Bro, you couldn't even breathe, bro. You look. I'm sensitive like I'm getting fucked.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. What happened to Tim? And I told that nigga not to pick up them crates of them bananas. Nigga done threw it back out.
Yeah.
Nigga, I'm 15 with a thrown out back.
But chill, bro.
Bro, you should have saw me, bro. Like for the longest, I had the worst back problems. Like, bro, it used to be times where I couldn't even get out the bed because my back was like, boy, stop.
Man, stop playing, man.
I'm dead serious. Like I would literally be like, damn, I can't even get up right now. I gotta wait.
Every time somebody say they got back, hip, or fat problems, I be thinking of like my 600-pound life.
But I wasn't even fat though.
Nah, I'm just talking shit. But I'm just saying, every time I think of a nigga that has like bodily back, like back leg or some shit, I be thinking my 600-pound life, because them niggas really can't move,
bruh.
Them niggas like,
and they be getting
like when they stand up for the first time in 10, 20 years, nigga.
Wait a minute. Listen here.
Like, damn.
I be dead ass mad as fuck when they be doing that bullshit. I need help. Who told you to get to 600 pounds? Who told you to do that? Nobody told you to do that. Big ass hoe.
Oh shit!
Nobody cares about me. No, bitch, you don't care about yourself. Cause we care about you. We been feeding your ass like we finna go out there and give you to the wild animals or something. We getting you fat for the winter.
Like they cannibals or some shit.
Like you cattle, bitch.
This is everybody's excuse. I don't know how this show is on for hella seasons.
I just love her. I just love him.
I just want to help her. She in there hungry by herself all day. She asked me for a cheeseburger apple pie. Give cheeseburger apple pie, man.
What the fuck, bro?
I don't know,
hey,
man.
and guess what? Then you got the fat motherfuckers that be on that done got turned off the damn pills and shit. So they be, I need my pills. I need my pills. It's for my knee. You won't get it for my knee. You don't want me to get better. It's you. You don't want me to get better. You just want me to stay fat. Like I'm the one that turned you fat.
You don't love me anymore.
Technically, they might have been.
Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. A lot of them fat people, you know what you just need to do?
Yo,
that's what. Hey, this my uncle.
Wait.
Wife.
We missed one. We missed one. What did nigga say? He said, tickle his pinky, dog. Tickle his feet, dog. Tickle his feet, dog. He's supposed to be dead. Tickle his feet, dog. But tickle his feet, I promise you it's gonna work, dog. Tickle his feet.
Hell no. Hell.
Yo, get this nigga, man.
To pretend you dead.
Yo, get this nigga, man.
Not tickle his feet.
Nigga, I'm gonna be stiff as a brick, bitch.
Yeah.
I'm be like this.
The worst ones is when they gotta cut him out the house, bro. Those are the worst episodes.
Oh,
you gotta take out a whole wall of the house.
Yo, that shit, that'd be wild. They got a whole crane and shit like that.
And niggas is crying through the whole thing. I'm just embarrassed. So embarrassed.
This a fat ass bitch.
Shawty, what the
Just
fuck?
hanging in the air, almost butt ass naked.
Niggas is doing shit like this and shit.
That's the problem. They take them outside and they barely got any clothes on. They ain't got no clothes that fit them and shit. It be like,
nigga wear a blanket.
Did you see the one where the girl was just pissing and shitting in the bed?
oh, Lord.
And then her clothes were just attached to her because she just been sitting there so long.
That's fucking crazy.
And she was just,
You know what I do for them big folks like that? I be like this, hey y'all,
we about to hold you down.
That nigga said the fire
About to hold
hydrant.
your bitch ass down.
Not the fire hydrant.
And look, be
how you
talking
think them
through
black
the whole
people
thing.
felt? How you think them black people felt? Finna spray your ass, you big piece of flubber.
But talk to her through the whole
Spin
thing.
over, y'all. Spin over. I gotta get in the butt.
It's a damn shame. It's a damn fucking shame. You nasty ass motherfucker. It's a damn shame.
I can hear that nigga telling my post that now. Look at you.
for real.
Look at you. Big ass on a crane right now. Your big ass is getting airlifted out of your house. That's how fat you is. They had to cut a section of the roof off to get your big ass out the house. I don't know how I got this far. And they always say the same thing. I just want to be able to play with my kids. Cause right
Nigga,
now
you ain't even got no kids. Well, I ain't seen my dick in 3 years.
All right. True confession. 7 years. It's been 7.
I ain't seen my fucking dick in 7 years, motherfucker.
Bruh, do you not realize, like, when you that goddamn big, it's like, bro, why you even worry about sex? Like,
Wait, what? No, somebody gonna rub on me. You ain't gotta give me the pussy, but
find it.
Fold this over.
hey, now look, you know how the family be feeding them. The family always brings in the food and shit.
Here y'all
like
food. Here y'all food.
The family gonna be willing me to the flame.
I don't know why. He said he needs this to live.
Nah.
He needs big booty girls rubbing on his little meat all day. Him meat little. I seen him one time when I was scrubbing him in little.
Listen, bitch.
And then look, they back to the girls just dancing on me.
Nigga just sitting there.
And I'm like this.
He don't even feel nothing.
I do. And then you gonna see it.
We can go. Nah, thank
I
you.
just
Look.
need
Give it a buddy and shit.
Thank you. Thank you.
Girl, I think this fat ass nigga just nutty.
Hey, whip me up out of here, dog, for they see this thing. Come on, whip me up out of here, dog. Come on. Thank you, delicious. Thank you, delicious. Let's get up out of here,
Not
Real
delicious.
talk, man.
dog. Get up out of here, dog.
Y'all some idiots, man. This been a good fucking episode.
Hell
man.
yes.
All bullshit aside,
Yes, sir.
y'all niggas really gave me a good laugh. To all the viewers, we are sorry for being non-consistent. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We always promising what we're gonna do, but we just gotta keep trying, man. Look at it, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do it this time, though.
My boy keeping it real with y'all, because I just would have said we gonna catch y'all next week. Hold it down when you get tired and you get bored. Go to the video section and check out the public interviews and the old podcast.
Since you got time.
Yeah.
No, real talk though. Y'all need to check out
shit.
them public interviews because we be going.
Hamilton.
Man, speaking of which, you know the bloopers are up too, man. If y'all need to
Word.
check out
Get
the
out.
bloopers, bro.
Check everybody out.
Yeah,
Check
yes.
everybody's social medias out. It's all in the description. No kids.
Down below.
It's your boy Southside.
Bye.
Your boy Danny Bevel.
That's that guy Dev.
We out this bitch.
Oh, yeah.
I holla.